When companies have a no-fail label application that they can't solve, they turn to STL.
That's when it gets exciting for us. We thrive on challenges because they really push us to think beyond conventional solutions.
At STL, we design and manufacture customized solutions for our customers' most complex label applications.
Business as usual doesn't invent. We do.
Because failure to invent is a death sentence.
If you're not inventing, you're falling behind, or you won't stay competitive for long.
What's unique about our process is that we provide adhesive coating and label converting all under one roof.
This allows us to design custom products one layer at a time.
And that's critical when you're trying to solve complex problems.
Our impact spans across many industries: security, financial, packaging, agriculture.
We fit where the challenge is, regardless of the industry.
Quality and repeatability are built into everything that we do, and that starts with our unique operations.
Our vertically integrated manufacturing model allows us to produce all materials in-house.
It's really a one-of-a-kind process that allows us to design and produce for the demands of each application.
Product development involves iterations. We make the product from scratch, which allows us to streamline the development process.
Our vertical model and rigorous QA testing support our customer-first mentality to ensure every product succeeds at every stage.
So much of what we do is driven by the demands of our customers.
No obstacle is too large or too small.
Our customers view us as partners. When they have a problem to solve, they get us involved.
At STL, we're relentlessly focused on what's next. Every day is a chance to push further, to solve harder problems,
and to help our customers succeed in ways no one else can.
We foster a culture of innovation and invention. At the end of the day, we just love what we do.